We're doing a show about a starship 400 years in the future, and we want to have it grounded in a certain reality. So we want to be consistent with what is currently understood about physics, astronomy, and how it might be possible someday to build a ship like the Orville and explore the galaxy.
Engage quantum drive.
Well, the ship itself is almost like its own self-contained world. This is a starship that can travel for months at a time and sustain a crew of 300 people. So we have to have a space for those people that is not just necessary for survival, but is comfortable, that has the feeling of a place where you would want to live. So there's a psychological dimension. How do you keep a crew not only physically safe and alive, but how do you keep them psychologically fit? There is a sense of spaciousness. Crew quarters are something that feel like a nicely appointed apartment. We have a mess hall. We have areas where the crew can gather socially.
This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a new fun thing.
Technologically, you have to have some kind of self-sustaining ecosystem built into a ship like this. Couldn't possibly carry all of the oxygen and water and so forth necessary to sustain a crew of 300 people for months at a time in storage containers. The walls of the ship actually are made of a synthetic fiber that is an artificial sort of plant system that basically takes in carbon dioxide exhaled by the crew and breathes out oxygen. Water is recycled. Waste products are recycled. Some of this stuff is happening today on the International Space Station. This kind of technology has been pioneered by NASA for 5 decades now, and we've just taken that to the next level. Imagined how much more we'll be able to do hundreds of years in the future when it comes to sustaining people on a spaceship for long periods of time.